What's going on, guys? Thanks for coming to another video here on Variety and Airs. Make sure to hit the subscribe button if you like collecting currency as much as I do. But let's talk about this really expensive 1946 penny. So if you ever come across one of these in your pocket change, you know what you're looking for and you know that you're sitting on quite a bit of money. The original auction estimate price for this was $775, and this specific coin sold for almost $5,000 back in 2021. Now, this coin is absolutely gorgeous, sitting at an MS67. This coin is extremely high grade and would be really hard to come by in pocket change in this quality of condition. This coin drew over 30 bids in a March auction in 2021, selling for $4,378, so almost 7 or 8 times what the estimate price was. So a little more about the 1946 Lincoln wheat penny is that these coins were of course produced long ago, so the condition of these pennies can vary quite drastically from piece to piece when you come across them in pocket change. Again, if you find one that's really high condition like this one that sold for over $4,000, then you should of course get it graded. Generally speaking, a coin would be in extremely fine condition, or good condition, and pricing the 1946 Lincoln penny really isn't too difficult, as most of the coins are really not worth too much. There were 3 different types of Lincolns produced in 1946, so the value of the coin will heavily depend on its type. Secondly, the condition of the coin means a lot as far as value, because a normal 1946 Lincoln penny only sells for maybe a couple bucks at best, but usually around the 35 or 50 cent range. This coin has such a great grade at MS67, they are extremely scarce and of course garner a really high value. This coin again sold for over $4,000, making it a great penny to look for in your pocket change. I think it's crazy that it sold for such a higher value than what was estimated at around $800 for this coin. I think that's really awesome. It goes to show that Lincoln cents in a lot of ways are just one of the most collectible coins out there, and so many people love them, and especially one that's in this high of grade is deserving of such a high value, and I just think it's such a gorgeous coin. Let me know what you think about this 1946 MS67 coin. I think they're really cool. I love Lincoln cents, so let's talk about them in the comments below, and I will see you in the next video.